Nice of the princess to invite us over for a picnic, eh, Luigi? I hope she made lots of spaghetti. Luigi, look! It's from Princess Dear Mario. You must conquer Toasters. We gotta find the princess. And you gotta help us. No, you gotta help. Ha ha! Here's the problem. Too many toasters.
To go slow-mo on the double.
Zelda, Mario, it is under attack by the evil forces.
Toasted.
I'm going to
Mushroom Kingdom.
to aid him.
But Father, what if something happens to you?
I'll take the Triforce of
You kill it all.
protect me. If you don't hear from me in a month, send
Morgan Qatar. Your Majesty, you must die. Squadala!
Ugh, why'd you do that?
fuck me. Penis, penis,
Penis.
penis, penis, penis. Penis, 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 penis,